Well, no one's been to this one in a long time. Cobwebs, everything. This is well hidden. Very well hidden, this one. But there is a strange thing that I've just seen. There's a light just there, look. A switch. Right. Looks like there's a bit of water at the bottom, but I've got a feeling this is going to be an half decent one. Right, I'm going to get down. Woo! Right. Do you know what? I had a feeling this was going to be a good one. Everything's still here. Look at this. Everything's still here. Oh, nearly slipped. There's a lot of water down here. I've got a feeling someone's been here and been doing stuff to it at some point. This is a very good one. Oh. I mean, it's a shame about the water. Yeah, these are new. Someone's been in here doing stuff to this. They put insulation, there's electric. Does all this work? I don't know where they'd have been getting the power from. This is a very good one. This is banging. Someone's got a full bottle of water there. All the roof's peeling down. The door's chucked over there. I think someone's been living here. Yeah, they have. This is all new. This stuff, they're new power sockets. They are. Yeah, someone's been camping down here. That's a newer style mattress. That's some sort of camp. What's that? Property auction? Was it up for auction at some point? Mattress, camping gear. All these shelves. I think someone's had a little fire down here. It looks very black. What's this thing? Yeah, this is a... So someone's been looking after this, sort of. Well, there was. Someone's been bloody living in here. Yeah, they've fixed all these newer doors in. That's some sort of power. I don't know where they would have got the power from. Unless they hooked in some old power mains. Yeah, they put all this, whatever that is, around it. There's a millipede there. Well, yeah, someone was looking after this at some point. So, yeah, they've got like newer, more fancy door handles. Bottles of water, loads of bottles of water. Camping stove. What's that thing? Like a money pot. Bottles of water, more bottles of water, lemonade. So when was the last time someone was down here? That says November 04 on that. Are these bottles? Oh, that's a new bottle. That's a new bottle. When's that one? Does it say? Can't see the date on it. Some of these are unopened. Can't bloody see the dates on them though. Can't see the dates. Ant killer. Loads of candles. Huh! I wonder where they've hooked into the power then. Well, that's it. It's a bunker, but a very nice bunker. I mean, it's a bit bummed, but yeah, it is what it is. What's that block thing there? I don't know what that is. Huh. Yes, it was quite, I had to fight through some bushes to get in this one, so I can see why. I mean, it's been damaged, but my hands are all black. Right, I'm going to climb out of here and then I'll finish my thing. What's in here? Got pans. What we got? I can't really see around the corners, but yeah, loads of whatnots in here. Yeah, they've got a light up there as well. Maybe they're just running it off a battery somewhere. Was there a battery somewhere in here? Maybe they rigged it up down here or somewhere. There's a wire there. Ah, there we go, there we go. It was in the water. So they rigged it up to a battery. They would have had to bring a battery down here. And then they have the power. Right, I'm going to get out of here a bit. Yeah. Back up we go. Back up we go. Right, I'm back up. Looks like someone has bent this that way when it should open this way. But yeah, that's a pretty good one. I'm glad that someone has sort of been looking after it. I've just noticed there's a burning bin just round there as well, so maybe someone has been living here at some point. Right, I'm gonna try and pull this back up. 1 minute. No, it's too heavy. It's too heavy. I did give it a good go. I'm gonna try and get out this way this time, because I came around the back before. Like I said, it looks a bit more clearer this way. Burning bin. Can I get out the front way though? Can I get out this way? Anywhere. Branches, thorns, nettles, and everything's. Fucking hell, that's what's a bloody doing. I got my trainer stuck in between the branches. Woman pulled my foot out, my trainer was still under all the branches. It's a right palaver. So I think someone was living down there. So I don't know, I'll call it someone's underground bunker home. Looks like it. They had electric, water. Yeah, someone's living there. Yeah. And it's too well done to be kids. There's all like kitchens fitted and everything in there. So, but unfortunately, I think someone's ripped that door open, gone down, set fire to something, and maybe they haven't gone back. Sad to say, but right, you know the dance. Subscribe. See you next time.